Hi, today I'm Friday with Xiaomi 13 and I'll show you how to change fingerprint sensor animation on this device. So let's check our currently animation, and just to change it we should first open the settings and then scroll down to passwords and security, then go to the fingerprint unlock and draw one from your unlock methods. Draw the pattern and enter the pin code to passcode. After that, click to fingerprint animation and switch your currently animation to one from these ones. For example, I'll use the neon one. Let's just lock the device to check it, and we can see that we just successfully changed our fingerprint sensor animation. That's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.